Hi, we're continuing on with our series on why the ketogenic diet is so effective for weight loss. And today we're going to talk about how keto is a natural appetite suppressant. And this is probably one of the most beneficial, I feel like all the points of why it's an effective diet for weight loss are really beneficial. But this is like something that it's really nice to not feel hungry when you're on a diet. I don't know about you, but I've had 3 kids. I've had to lose 30, 40 pounds after each of my kids was born. And it's kind of frustrating to feel hungry. And it's something that you can just power through, and it can be a mind over matter thing, but keto sort of takes that mind over matter thing out. And so it has been documented in medical literature that it does naturally suppress people's appetites. You're just you're gonna be okay skipping meals, which for a lot of people, it's something that you've never really skipped a meal. And because we're learning that once you're living on fat and not carbohydrates, you don't need to eat every 2 hours. Like that used to be a big weight loss thing, is make sure you're never hungry. Eat a simple carb every 2 hours. And that's just, obviously it didn't work. The ketogenic diet, one of the reasons that it really does work is because it's a natural appetite suppressant. And that's just from your brain running on ketones, not having that roller coaster, the carbs coming in, your body needing carbs, your body needing to eat every 2 hours, where if you're not eating what your body is digesting in your stomach, you can just go ahead and pull from your fat stores and it's really no problem. On top of that, it is thought that ketones actually are, in addition to not being on that carb roller coaster, ketones actually do naturally suppress your appetite a little bit. And so that little boost can just really be helpful. If you're looking for a supplement to help this, that's where exogenous ketones can come into play. And I'll link down below to some that I trust. They're definitely not required to do the ketogenic diet, but if you're finding that you're maybe don't have as much energy as you'd like, or your appetite isn't suppressed as much as you'd like, think, especially as you're transitioning over into being in fat burning mode, the first few weeks you might find that exogenous ketones are helpful for having that appetite suppressant benefit. It's not a stimulant. It's not like ephedrine that people were taking to suppress their appetite before. It is just ketones that your liver will produce naturally as you go from being a carb burner to a fat burner. And so it's not anything that's bad for you. I don't personally use them, but some people want supplements to kind of give them a little bit more help right out the gate. And so that's something that I thought I would link you to down below if you'd like to check it out. And if you're back next time, we have some more reasons why the ketogenic diet is so effective for weight loss. I'd love to see you there. You can check out those related videos over there and subscribe so you don't miss anything. Thanks so much.